It is your girl Paris Lex here on YouTube. In today's video, I am very excited to be sharing with you all how to make a hand sanitizer substitution. Basically a hand cleanser. Finding hand sanitizer in the store is almost impossible. It's either sold out, it's not in stock. Stores don't know when they're beginning another shipment of it in. And if you're lucky enough, you can maybe find it online. However, it may take weeks or even months to get to you. So I want to make this video in order to show you all products that are still available in your stores, should be available, which are inexpensive, and you can make a hand sanitizer substitution so we can keep our hands nice and clean. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's jump into it. Okay, I promise that this solution is super simple to make, and you first want to start by having hand soap available. Hand soap should also be available in your stores. What you want to do is start off with hand soap. This one in particular is just the Up and Up Target brand Milk and Honey Moisturizing Hand Soap. The next item that you want to make sure that you grab is just a regular soap dispenser. This soap dispenser in particular is from Bath and Body Works, and it's a reused one. So with this soap dispenser, you want to fill it up with about 1/4 hand soap, and then the rest is going to be with water. And I'll come a bit closer. So about right here with the hand soap, and the remainder of the container is going to be filled with your water. And just to make this really simple, you're going to pump some onto the palm of your hand. And as you can see, that is how much I have taken. And then you're going to lather it up into your hands. And I'm coming closer to the video, and I'm coming closer to the camera so you can see. How I am lathering the solution in my hands. And the solution turns out to be a clear consistency. I can still feel the hand soap on my hands, but that's not really bothering me because I know for the simple fact my hands are getting nice and clean. And basically the solution is just gonna dry into your hands, and that's really all that you have to do. If you feel as if you have an excess amount of the solution on your hands, feel free to take a paper towel product or even like a washcloth, a dishcloth, and just pat your hands dry. If you do not have hand soap available, you can take an antiseptic product, for example a Listerine product. And right here I have the Up and Up brand by Target once again, and this is their antiseptic mouthwash, and it's going to kill germs. So basically we all know that mouthwash kills germs in your mouth, so the same method applies to when you are trying to kill germs on your hand. You're going to fill any type of soap dispenser up with the mouthwash and with water as well. With the Listerine, you want to make sure that it's a mouthwash that is sugar free. So you want to make sure that it's actually killing germs. It's not just for making your breath fresh. Another idea that I came up with is not only to just have one soap dispenser, you want to have several around your home. So if you want to keep them in your kids' bedrooms, you want to keep them in the bathrooms, in the kitchen area, when you first come into your home, the walkway entrance, the dining room area. That is very important because say you just don't feel like washing your hands constantly. It could be very dry to keep washing your hands. That substitution, the hand sanitizer substitution that I came up with, is very moisturizing, and it feels hands feeling really, really moisturized and clean. I have another one right here, and this one is with the mouthwash and water, but with this one it's a blue color because it is a blue mouthwash that I use, and again it's the antiseptic mouthwash solution. and this one I actually keep in my car. I recommend always keeping some type of hand sanitizer or even this in your car, because when you're driving, you are touching a lot of things, you are coming in contact with people and items, so you just want to make sure that you can take a pump of this, and then you can always make sure that your hands are nice and clean on the go. I also have another hand sanitizer dispenser, and this one is actually an old Bath and Body Works one. And what I did was I realized that I had a little bit of sanitizer left in it, and I just filled it with some soap and water, and this is what it looks like right here. It's a little bit diluted, but it's still going to do the same process of killing those germs. So if you have these in your purse laying around the house, or if you just happen to find one when you're cleaning up, just make sure that you use my solution and your hands will be nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you found it very helpful and useful for not only yourself but your family, friends, and your loved ones. Let's keep this journey going by keeping together, staying together, and just being positive in this time. I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.